Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro 12.4 inch, Xiaomi HyperOS, Dolby Vision, Adams. Okay, that's the packaging. White one. Let's just. We have the pad itself. Ooh. While waiting for its powering on, let's check out some accessory here. We have the manual, very simple manual. Also the cable. Type-C to Type-C cable, Type-A to Type-C cable. What really surprised me is the 120 watts charger. Wow, that's great. That's great. Okay, that's it. That's all the accessories. They should have keyboard or something, but we're talking about that later. Oh, it's on now. So that is the screen. That is the pad. Holy smoke, this is amazing. Feels so premium. Feels premium, well made. Speakers here, Type-C. Okay, we have the camera here. Aluminum finish, aluminum alloy finish to be. The system, let me adjust it to the maximum brightness. Super smooth. Alright, I will do a really detailed one tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Okay, the cameras. Ten times ultra wide. Okay, it's a tablet. Don't expect too much from the camera, you know. Okay, I will do a really detailed one tomorrow, so stay tuned for that.